Tinytag Desktop Viewer is an additional software tool for users running a Connect system. It provides a visual representation of the status of the system, displaying the data being recorded by the loggers and showing alerts when any are out of contact. Desktop Viewer is a read-only tool, preventing users access to settings that could result in unauthorized changes. This is helpful for customers who need to set different levels of user access for operational or quality control reasons. On the Desktop Viewer screen, users can set up a custom background image or floor plan. Tiles with the readings of selected data loggers can be displayed and positioned as required to give a visual representation of what is happening. Readings in grey indicate that a logger is out of contact. The alarms, with readings in red, are independent of those set in Tinytag Explorer Connect software, so the original configuration will remain unchanged. Tinytag Connect provides straightforward and flexible data management across a network, and peace of mind in terms of data integrity, safely recording and storing data at all times without interruption. For details about setting up a Tinytag radio data logging system, please see the video on our website. For further information, visit our website www.tinytag.info, email sales@tinytag.info, or call our UK number 01243 813 000.